Hi guys. Today we're reacting to I tested the most viral TikTok air fryer recipes. Now let's get into it.
Fryers are one of the greatest things that humanity has ever built in cooking, bro. Cause I ain't gonna lie, bro, I'm a lazy.
Oh yeah, and tell me what would y'all cook in an air fryer? Well, what I would cook is like chicken nuggets, French fries, and all that other shit. But
Me person, bro. I don't really like to you know what I'm saying, cook on the stove for too long and stuff like that. I really like just using a microwave and simple things. You know, simple cooking is the best type of cooking to me. You feel what I'm saying? So with that being said, we are going to be trying the most viral air fryer recipes that I could find on the internet.
Tonight's dinner was garlic.
bro, that bitch look uncooked. I don't know. It might look uncut, but it still look good.
Butter steak bites and baked potatoes made the air.
Garlic butter steak bites and
My wife and I
ooh.
will eat a peaceful dinner after the kids go to bed. When I make this one about 30 to 40 minutes before their bedtime, I brush some potatoes with olive oil, season them with salt, pepper, garlic, and then they go in the air fryer at 400 degrees.
400
Then I go ahead and cube
All
up
right.
a couple of ribeyes, and that steak goes into a bowl with some olive oil and our favorite steak seasoning. I let that hang out on the counter while we do the bedtime routine, and when I come back, it's time to pull out the potatoes.
Not too much
Once
seasoning.
those are out, the
Interesting.
steak bites go in for 6 to 7 minutes at 400 degrees, which is just enough time to get the potatoes ready. I like to keep those simple.
That shit look good. Tell me, yeah. Have you ever tried a potato with butter? When I tried it mine, it tasted good. So yeah. What kind of stuff would I put on a potato?
With a little bit of butter, shredded cheddar, and sour cream. This one's definitely not fancy, but sometimes you just need a late night air fryer dinner date with your spouse.
Yo, I can't lie, bro. It may not be amazing, but it surely does look amazing, bro.
That's what I said, my nigga. If that was me, I eat all that shit, boy. But yeah.
Oh my god, that looks so appetizing. I gotta go try that out right now.
Why?
Alright, y'all, so let's go ahead and start making those steak and potatoes. So the first thing you want to do is, get your potatoes. They're already here, you know what I'm saying? And let's get our olive oil and spread it on the potatoes. Very, very
Oh yeah. And what y'all put olive oil on oil, cuz my nigga. I never tried that before.
evenly, you know what I'm saying? Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty, you feel what I'm saying?
Feel what I'm saying?
Massage it. Give it that like that good massage, you know what I'm saying?
Let me see how getting oiled up.
I think they're moisturized enough. Alright, wait, hold up. Give it a little bit of this and that. Okay. My hands are like nice shiny. I'm gonna go clean up. Alright, hands clean. So let's go ahead and season these potatoes, Put a little bit of pepper on that meal. You know what I'm saying?
Isn't that what I'm saying?
The season, you know what I'm saying? Hey. How many times have I said you know what I'm saying? Oh well, but yeah, let's get our salt. Let's put it a little bit on that potato, I think that's pretty good. And the guy, he straight like put them in the air fryer, but I want to put a little bit of I want to put some foil on mine. Hey, this is Present Say here. I just wanted to inform you guys that you guys should not do this because it kind of messed up the texture of the potatoes.
Yeah. My nigga didn't know what he was doing.
Potatoes, and we're just gonna encase this just like a burrito. Wrap that bitch. We don't need too much because we just want to wrap it. Yeah. And now that these boys wrap, let's go ahead and put them straight in the air fryer. Put that right there real quick and.
Bro, that thing look dirty as hell. Either that boy didn't trending in days. Oh hell nah, boy.
We're gonna have to go clean this.
Did you know? Say is grillering. I don't know how to say that, but oh nah. Corey's glizzy so hard he decided to add this, and after watching some vids. Bro, don't get your ugly.
Now let's put these both in here for about I don't know how long, but he told me to bake these at about 400 degrees. And why not? Let's do 15 minutes.
5 minutes later.
All right, y'all. Now that the potatoes are air frying right now, let's go ahead and cook our steak for right now. Let's take one out, put it right there.
Right there.
Let's take another one and put it right there.
Okay.
Put these side by side. All right, so now what we want to do is take our little knife right here, and then we're gonna chop these holes into like small cubes. You know what I'm saying? So, come on, knife, don't fail me now. We got one. We're gonna dice this up again.
Two.
We're gonna make it into like what? A 2 skis? God damn, this knife is not good. Well, I don't think it's built for chopping meat. You know what I'm saying? I need a
Should
sharper
use a
knife.
different one.
Let's cut this into. Let's dice this a little bit. That's 1 cube. Come on, bro. Damn. I'm gonna find another knife because this one is pretty dull. All right. Well, I guess this knife is gonna have to do because I cannot find any other knife. We got them. We got. I think we're pretty much good on one side. We're good.
Nigga, now I know how to cut meat. Oh, it's crazy.
Good on one side. Yes. Let's go. Let's go, baby. I feel like a caveman chopping meat for the first time. You know what I'm saying? Getting ready to cook my meat for the first time. I don't even know if caveman did they cut meat or did they just eat it raw? Chopping that bit hard is the solution. But hopefully I ain't trying to chop no fingers off though. So let's be careful. Now let's go find a bowl to put this in. All right, so now that we got our bowl, let's go ahead and take all this meat and dump it up in there. And once you got all that meat dumped up in there, you want to go ahead and take some of this seasoning, open it. All right, and then dump it up in there. You know what I'm saying? Oh, we forgot one crucial part first. Let's not finish that. We gotta use some olive oil and pour that up in there first. Now we pour the seasoning in up. And once you got that good, let's toss that meat, bro, like you tossing a salad. I'm pretty sure y'all know what I mean by that. Hopefully, say you are a funny man. Sometimes I crack myself up. Yo, my hands smell like bacon a little bit. I don't know how, but don't ask. I don't know. All right, y'all. Now let's go ahead and check on these potatoes. All right. Never mind. It's 4. I don't know how to.
It's too hot.
Hold on. Actually, let's just test this one out first by opening it. That bit's steamy. You can smell it.
That look good.
Take a fork.
Oh.
Where's my fork? Open it. Let's go ahead. Let's see if we can open it. I think it needs a little bit more time. Let's keep these open for now and cook it that way. All right, we're gonna be back once the food gets done. You know what I'm saying? And yeah.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Oh, just look at this food, bro.
Ooh.
Oh my.
That shit look like a 5-star meal.
Gosh. All right, we gotta eat this, bro. Wow. This is actually so freaking good, bro. I'm not even joking. Like, it may be super simple, but it's so
Bro, give me some.
It's like super packed in flavor. Oh my God. It's literally as if the butter melted through the
all the flavors melted in my tongue.
the steak, and I'm completely just tasting super juicy meats, bro. I don't understand it. It's so good. So one ingredient that he added that I'm forgetting to add.
She has 2 birthdays now. She was born in the day that she did.
It's sour cream. Okay, now that looks professional. Oh my God. Oh my God, that's professional. Let's try it.
I bet that thing tastes good.
Y'all don't understand. This recipe is insanely crazy. I mean, what insanely good, bro? I can't even speak right now. That's how good this is. Yo, seriously, if y'all haven't yet, hit that like button and subscribe. Please, bro. Look at this.
I firmly believe the absolute best way to cook salmon is in the air fryer.
Oh, okay,
It's
that's
incredibly
salmon.
Easy. I will not cook salmon any other way now. All I do is really lightly coat it with some Dijon mustard and pretty heavily with some Old Bay, which is a awesome standalone seafood.
Whoa, that's an interesting
Fryer like this for
air
about
fryer.
5 minutes, and then I flip it over. It goes in for about another 10, and then I top it with some garlic butter and lemon juice. It's so good.
Feed it
If
to
you
the
guys
dog.
try this, tag me and let me know what you
Yeah,
think.
W use of
I firmly
food.
believe
W use of like recycling food, bro. I love that. But bro, I ain't gonna lie, the salmon looks pretty good, bro. It looks pretty juicy. I'm not even gonna.
Right, like you said, it looks pretty juicy. I would get like a 10 out of 10. If I could go on that screen, I would But yeah. Oh yeah, and tell me what food which I eat. Cause it's like all kind of like good food in the world, and it just too good to pass by.
I don't lie to you, bro. No me, bro. No me. All right, y'all. Let's go ahead and make that air fryer salmon. So the first thing you want to do is take your Dijon mustard. Go ahead and open that bit and spray it on there like it was. I forgot to take the seal off.
Dumbass.
Yo, what is wrong with me, bruh? Let me shake it up real quick before I take the seal off. All right. Now, as I was saying, you want to go ahead and take your Dijon mustard and spray it on that, squirt it on that salmon like your girl. I can definitely smell that Dijon mustard, but let's go ahead and spread it around. Let's go ahead and spread it around pretty evenly. Spread it around like we spreading frosting on a cake. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah. All right. Yes. Oh my gosh. So how y'all been doing? How's the kids? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. I touched it. All right, y'all. So now that we got everything pretty much settled out, you want to go ahead and preheat the air fryer to about 375, and let's go do that right now. So we got the air fryer heating up right now. So let's go ahead and take our seasoning and let's season our salmon. I'm pretty sure you want to go all the way around. She said be very generous with the season. So I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. I'm pretty look at my skin tone. I like the season stuff. You feel what I'm saying? So let's go ahead, put a hell of a lot of seasoning on this side.
I'm about money.
Oh, sounds like our air fryer is done just in time. So let's go ahead and take our seasoned salmon and put it straight up in the air fryer for about 5 minutes, and then I'll get back to you after that 5 minutes.
5 minutes later.
The salmon is done, and it looks done. I don't know.
No.
I guess it would be really done if like we peeled it off, like peeled the skin off. Hold on, let's try it.
Let's see that.
Oh, ow.
That
That's
bitch steaming.
one whole like fish skin potato chip or whatever you want to call it, bro. Tear the other one off. If we can get it in one piece. Got one whole like piece of meat right there, bro. The lady also said we should put like some garlic butter on there, so I'm gonna do that right now. Hold on, let me flip this. Oh, let's get a tablespoon of butter. I feel like I'm not supposed to use a tablespoon, but I ain't gonna lie. Oh well. Alright,
well.
since we don't have regular lemon,
Well.
we're gonna have to use this for lemon juice because, you know, she said spread some lemon on that hoe. So I'm definitely about to spread some lemon on that hoe.
I do not like lemon. Like every time I get a taste of lemon, or I like try to eat lemon, my face like bulk up, like I can like throwing up. So I guess it's not good. Well, but I don't know about like good, but I guess other people can like it too. If y'all would do it.
With that being said, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna see y'all boys later.
Like he was said, like, comment, subscribe, and can I put this video to like 30 follows, and